If you're looking for HDMI to VGA adapters, here's a collection you've got to see. Our editor choice. Top 20 HDMI to VGA adapters. Number 1, by XF Times. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Mored. Number 3, by FindSource. Click the circle to get full top 20 list. Click the circle and choose yours. Number 4, by TechRise. Number 5, by Benfei. Find these HDMI to VGA adapters at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Garner. Number 7, by Ugreen. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by XF Times. Number 9, by VicSing. Discover more HDMI to VGA adapters ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Nubit.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.